Well, what we have here is an Austin Devon chassis that was produced probably about 1950-51 by the apprentices at Longbridge for the motor show when the Austin Devon was launched. Basically, the chassis has been lounging in a container since then, so for about 70 years, and obviously it's deteriorated a lot. Not so much the chassis itself, but all the component parts, a lot of which were chromium plated. We've had to clean that off because chromium plating is not very environmentally friendly these days, so we're substituting silver paint for the chrome. Basically what we're doing at the moment is taking every individual component, many of which are rusty, others which were chromium plated and rusty, and taking the rust off, taking the chrome off, and then painting them to suit the colour scheme of the assembled chassis so that people can pick out the individual systems and see where everything goes, or should I say how it went. We've been on it now for probably about 3 months. I would guess there's probably another 4 to 6 months before it's finally finished. Once the chassis is finished, then it will be put on show along with some of the other section chassis that we've got. The idea is to have it on view so that people can see what cars were like under the body 70 years ago. The project is very rewarding. Many of us have come from an engineering and motor industry background. Many of us haven't, but are interested in classic cars. And we come here because we get a kick out of working on these cars. Personally, having spent my whole working life involved in engine development, many of those years with computers and engine management systems, it's very nice to come back to cars that have got distributors and carburetors and things you can actually work with without a computer in sight.